For finance part, right? It's more into, okay, first thing first would be for the data. Okay, so one will be the chart of account, okay, and then the cash book. So as of now, we already created the cash book, and also we import the chart of account from the EMP. Okay, so for one, each company actually will be one chart of account. Okay, so under one chart of account, might be, what would be the GL code? So we upload actually from the PDF. So one chart of account, it will have GL section. So this GL section, it will be standard. Okay, so it's a default by our side. So this way you cannot add plus. So and then we have a GL category. Okay, the GL category over here. So if let's say before this we using upload, but if let's say you want after this you want to add new GL code, a GL category, so you can click plus and then you key in your code and name. Okay, so after you put the code and name, okay, you then do have two additional tab in Autola basically, and then you choose you want to push to which GL section for that GL category. Okay, so after you create the GL category, then you can you add the GL code. Okay, so for click plus over here, and then you choose this GL code you want to push to which chart of account, meaning like maybe to which company, and then which GL category. So basically, if let's say you have a multiple company into one, okay, and then you want to separate the GL code into different, like okay, this GL code only used by company A, not used by company B. So you can create different chart of account because you can push here the GL code belong to which chart of account. And then okay, after all of this done, all right, done all of this actually created. Okay, then we can go to the company. This company is where you set your default GL code. In the EMP, we actually follow the EMP now, meaning that go to account payable or something like that. But if
Hi, Grace. Sorry, I just want to check with you. So regarding the GL code, right? Can we rename the GL code?
you want to rename the GL code,
Because just now you were saying it's a default, I guess.
no, this one the default one is GL section. This GL code
Section.
name, yeah, GL section like your current asset, current liability, that one we
Yeah.
cannot rename. Yeah.
GL
And then
section cannot be renamed now.
cannot be renamed.
All right.
So, okay. Wait, it's not under directly. So, Adib actually create one e-invoice testing company for you to do the testing. So here, basically, when you click on the company and then you click on this company, so it will give you the list of company created on the under the organization tablet. Okay, and then here we're gonna have a default GL code. So for this GL code, default GL code, so if let's say you want, okay, trade debtor, you always go through account receivable, account payable. So okay, this one need to set up. Okay, so we need to set this one first. Okay, like okay, let's say it's a known trade, it will go to which GL code. And then stock balance, for example, it will go through the inventory only, or maybe and then retain earning, cost of goods sold, stock adjustment. So you can choose. Okay, this is general. And then if let's say under the sales, would be go under general sales return. Okay, so that you can set your own. So purchase the same, and then forex. So for forex we have like a gain or loss. You can separate on this, and then also the consignment stock. If let's say there's a consignment stock, it will go to which GL code. All of this, not all lah. Basically, the one that you use, you need to fill up here the GL code, because if let's say you don't fill up in this screen, okay, the journal will not be auto created. But for now, we will put the okay. Then I continue to the cashbook. For the cashbook here, you go to the cashbook. Okay, so let's select 100. So for each of your now I'm using I follow EMP. We follow EMP. So the one, this is all the cashbook. So the cashbook here under which company, and then what would be the GL code. We just follow exactly like EMP. One only cashbook, the other one is a settlement method. This settlement method is the one that is used by your POS, or maybe when you pay or you receive using what settlement? Is it credit card, cash, or something? So we add from here. So your credit card merchant also will be under the settlement method. You don't need to create the cashbook, because your cashbook would maybe like a Hong Leong Bank. That would be your cashbook, right? But under Hong Leong Bank, it might have a different credit card type. So the credit card type will be under settlement method. So all like here, the EZ24, EZ12, so that one will be under the settlement method. So we can do the import.
I saw a CD in the settlement method.
Yep.
A cash drawer.
Yeah.
But I thought it's only DC credit card.
No. Okay. Let me open now. Okay. Oh, I don't have permission. Okay, so you see here, there's a cash credit card and other, right? So this cash credit card other is the one that actually you choose here. So when it is a cash drawer, what type it is? It's a cash. So this cash is the one that will show here. When I click it inside in the post, so you're gonna have a drawer over here. So whatever that is shown here for the settlement type for your poster, that one will be under the settlement method. We need to make sure the settlement method is there. So that's why, because when we check on your EMP, is that each branch, you're going to have a cash drawer, credit card, and also easy something, the discount, the directly discount. So we use, and also the MBB on your, like do it now for QR. So that's why we put it into the settlement method over here, because it's based on each branch settlement.